What is going on, YouTube? How's it going? Jim of All Trades channel, broadcasting from the job site of a remodel that I'm doing. I got drywall behind me, leaning up against a wall. I'm kind of on a sunroom porch here, and with a laptop and a cell phone hotspot, and making a video for you guys. Man, I had so many positive comments yesterday, and so many people during the live streams are just letting me know that the videos are helping them and protecting them in this dangerous market. And guys, I just feel like I need to keep getting videos out to you. So keep the comments rolling in, guys. Keep the likes coming. Share the videos, and I'll keep bringing them as I can. I'll do the very best I can for you. Yesterday we brought a Moon Boy video for Ethereum, and things are playing out pretty nicely. Want to warn you about one potential move that may happen on the Ethereum chart. So we're going to look at that in just a minute. And the Bitcoin chart as well. Both things are potentially playing out, so we'll look at that and look at the scenarios that we could be looking at. But guys, the chart's looking bullish for now. We've got some intermediate targets. There still might be more downside in the future, so I'm just going to show you what to look for here, and and how to trade this the best we can. We're going to navigate this day by day, guys. But if you need up to the minute help and you don't want it on time, I've already helped the Discord. I've already taken care of them, and now here I am taking care of you. The Discord is my first priority. They support me with financial giving, and I support them with my 100% effort and love for them as well. So love you guys, but you got to give them the first priority. If you want to be part of that, then just join through the Patreon link in the description below. Okay, if you need support for your trading, they get pretty much 2 videos a day, two live videos a day, which I record, and the recordings are available and uploaded to YouTube with unlisted addresses. So only if you're in the Discord will you have those links. So anyway, that's what we do there. I share charts and ideas, and there's different levels of membership that you can check out as well. But anyway, let's look into Ethereum and see what's going on. And in the charts, okay? Thanks again for sharing the love yesterday. Please continue to share it, and I'll keep posting the videos. Like, subscribe, do all that jazz that you would expect the YouTube algorithm to like, okay? All right, so we made the case yesterday that basically this is a 3-wave move off the top here as just a corrective wave. It's just a corrective move, 3 waves. It measures to the 1618 very nicely. It wicks through it a little bit, but that's okay. Right here, and then we bounce off of that level. So that's beautiful. We had some other trend lines and structure lines that we bounce off of as well. And so it makes a lot of sense, guys, that we got to bounce here. Everything is looking good. Now, what we can expect to see as far as wave structure off of this wave are a couple of things. We could simply, the market could just simply start buying it up from here. We already have a 1 wave followed by a 3-wave pullback, and we could simply get bullish here and go to the moon, okay, or the next target. Let's just say it that way. Not to the moon, but we love to say that, don't we? We love to dream about the moon. So that's a possibility. The other possibility we have here is that this could simply do a 3-wave move like that, and it's a 3-wave correction that gives us more downside to come in the future. Whether it be a 5-wave or a 3-wave, time will have to tell on that one. Okay, I don't want to overload you with too many contingencies, but that's another possibility, is a simple structure like this. But the market doesn't play out simply most often. Okay, so in other words, to have us simply go up from here is, I would say, unlikely. Okay, but it could. It could do that, or it might go up in the direction we're expecting, but it goes up in a way we don't expect. I always say that we often get the targets we're looking for, but it gets there in a way we don't expect. So we do our best to identify, how it might be getting there, but at the end of the day, it's hard to tell exactly. I look at the microstructures to kind of predict where it might go and how it might go, and that's what I'm here to share with you now. So there's the moon scenario. We got and basically you would count this like this. This would be a 1 wave followed by a 2, and now we're beginning the next wave to the upside, 3, 4, 5, like that. And we're gonna get subwaves, and this is probably gonna be more like over here, okay? And it's not gonna go straight up. It's just gonna start working its way up, and it'll be a 3rd wave move. That's possible. What else could it be? Well, again, we could be dealing with simply a three-wave move, A, B, C, a 535. That then we go short in that region to lower lows. So that's another possibility as well. But there's even a different possibility as well. This right here, as ugly as it may be, could be a flat right here in the middle. Talked to the Discord last night about this possibility before it even happened. And then we get a move down like that. And so basically what happens is the middle move looks like this. The middle wave, that's the B wave, so to speak, or the X wave. And so we get like an ABC or WXY, just depending on how high this comes. The A, B, and then C. And that gives us a three-wave move there. And that we began the move to the upside with a leading diagonal. So that's finished. And then we had a three-wave pullback. And after that, we expect that's when you get the big third wave to come. And so that's when we get a really large wave. Now, here's the funny thing, that this could also simply be a large ABC as well, okay, with a complex B wave in here. And so it simply just drags out over time a little bit more correctively. Again, and then what we would expect if that's the case then is we expect more down after that. So all kinds of scenarios that could play out here, guys, and nobody knows what they're going to do. So we try to be prepared for all the scenarios the best we can. So those are the different options on the table, guys. I know that's a lot. You'll have to rewind it maybe and check it out again. But just to review very quickly, just the simple ideas that this thing could do. If this is a flat here in the middle, we could be getting something like this. It's going to retest the low, okay, and then we shoot up pretty fast. That could keep going up, or it could stop somewhere in this region right here, a one-to-one extension, three-wave move, and then it goes down from there. That could go down, or it could just simply go up from there. Both counts would be valid. I don't have time to explain why those counts would be valid and what those structures are. Otherwise, this video would be so long. I'm just trying to give you a general picture, applying Elliott wave principles very quickly for you so that you can see the different shapes that the market could make here. Okay, I'm not. Some of you will accuse me of drawing lines on a chart that this is voodoo, that this is stupid, that this is whatever. But at the end of the day, I trade this kind of with this kind of theory and this kind of chart, and I do very well. We trade our setups within those structures. Once we see them, we trade those setups. We are currently long right now. That is the general direction of the market, but we're on guard. We're on guard right now, looking to take our profit if we see something that confirms maybe a downward move from here, okay, from this region right here. So that's what we're looking for in our group, and I told the group I'd let them know as soon as I saw something that let me know that down was the direction. We'll take our profit. We're already in 10% to 11% profit in the trade that we're in. Let me see here. Let me just kind of pull my. I'm in from 971. Right now we're sitting at 13.5%, 14% profit right now in the trade that we're in. Could have taken profit up here, but I was sleeping, so I just rode that down back to about break even almost. It came to 981. It didn't quite hit my stop. Stop was below this last low or break even. I hadn't decided. If I saw a structure that I didn't like, I was going to cut it. But everything was looking good as this thing came down for a three-wave. And now it looks like we're heading back up. So, guys, it's a very bullish construction, and I like what I'm seeing here. So it's looking good. Okay? So that's what we're looking at, guys. So up or down is the question, but it's not down forever like breaking new lows. I don't see us breaking the low anytime soon. Okay? We could do this and then that. Okay? But I don't see us breaking the low. We could, if we break the low, it's just going to barely break the low and then reverse back up, most likely, I would imagine. Okay, we could also just go up here, and then we could go down and then break the low after that. Okay, but we got to get up here first, or this thing could just moon from here. Okay, or remember we got the intermediate wave that could come down this way, and then we could go up for our bigger ABC. I'm just reviewing, guys, and then down, or this thing could just go straight up if that's a 1, 2, 3 instead. have to wait and see what the structures give us, and we monitor the structure as the wave progresses. So we're ready for all scenarios as far as our group is concerned, and as far as this video is concerned. You're ready for all scenarios. But those are the scenarios, guys, that could happen, and that's all I'm seeing on the chart. Let's look at BTC really quickly and just kind of show you. It's the same kind of construction here, guys. I'm watching this flat potential in here in the middle. So if that's a potential flat, we're looking for reversal. There we go. Looking for we're probably going to break the top here and a potential reversal. We pull the fibs to get a target there. Pull the extensions there, and we're coming up on our second target. To be honest with you, the third target would be 37,164. But remember, we have a very bullish look at this as well. This simply could be a three-wave move that's going down, and this could just be going up from here. So that's a possibility. So all the possibilities in Ethereum are the same possibilities we could have in Bitcoin. We have a leading diagonal that I'm trying to draw it. There we go. We have a leading diagonal that begins it, a three-wave pullback, and this just might be the beginning of the next wave. Okay. The other possibility is this could just be a three-wave like this, and then we're going down more. Okay. So there's a possibility. This could be a complex second wave, okay, which becomes a three-wave to the downside, but doesn't break this low, and then we could go up very deeply. Or we could just come up for a third wave and then a corrective wave and then come back down. So we'll have to wait and see what plays. We get an engulfing candle with a pullback here. We're going to probably look to go short to short that wave. That's a nice 10 to 13% trade. I would like that. Yep. Pretty good little trade there. So I'm going to be looking to go short if I see the structures that I'm looking for this to go down. Otherwise, we're just going to hold it long for now. But anyway, I want to get this video up to you because that time is running short for this to be a valid and helpful video to you. If you're watching it after the fact, how did I do? What did the waves do in comparison to what I just shared? Anyway, share the love, guys, in the videos. Thanks for stopping by the channel, and we'll see you tomorrow maybe in another video. Until then, talk to you later. Bye-bye.